Hello everyone, welcome back to extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix meta verification not available on Instagram account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Play Store and App Store, and from here you search for this Instagram. From here you make sure that update new version. I am already updated, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen and open your setting, and from here you scroll down and tap on apps and tap on apps management, and from here you search for this Instagram. Tap on Instagram. From here what you need to do is tap on permissions. From here you make sure that allow all permission. Tap on calendar and tap on allow. Go back and tap on contacts and tap on allow, and tap on other permission and tap on allow, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache and clear data, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.